Welcome to the 27th Annual Palm Beach Holiday Boat Parade and Toy Drive, brought to you by the Marine Industries Association of Palm Beach County. Tonight's event is benefiting two local charities, Toys for Tots and Little Smiles of South Florida. It's the brightest night of the year, featuring 50 decorated boats. On behalf of the Marine Industries Association of Palm Beach County and the Palm Beach Holiday Boat Parade, we want to thank all of our sponsors, volunteers, and everybody who came out to support the event this year. Happy holidays, everybody.